Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The Treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness. Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hi, man. Let's go run together. Let's go, boy. I'm ready.
Okay, let's rock.